Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you our tapeout submission process. So this is going to be done on an SFTP server where you're going to be pushing your data, and then we're going to be running the tapeout job and then pushing back the output for you on the SFTP server. So we did develop a specific tool that you can use. It's a CLI tool to push and pull the data from the SFTP server. So let's go ahead and see how that is done. Okay, so we're going to go to our GitHub. There we have the ChipFoundry CLI, the tool that we need to install. So we're going to do a pip install ChipFoundry-CLI. Now that we installed the CLI tool, we need to go back and do a key gen. So you can actually create an SSH key through this CLI tool, or if you have an SSH key that you want to use, you can definitely do that. But we do recommend that you use a newly generated SSH key specifically for the tapeout, and you can do that using our CLI tool. So as you can see, it generated a public SSH key. So we do need to copy that public SSH key, and then we're going to be going to our SFTP registration form. So this form can be found on our website, or actually it's going to be found on the terminal. So we're going to just fill in the form. It's a first name, last name, email, and then we're going to be pasting our public SSH key. And what that does is that it sends us a notification to create a user for you on our SFTP server. And once that is done, we're going to be sending you back an email with the username. The username is usually the first name dash the last name. So now we're going to configure the ChipFoundry tool, and that's basically going to ask you for the username that we sent you, and the SSH key path. So if you did use the CF key gen, then it's going to be there by default. So now we're going to initialize the project. So this step has to be done inside your project. So it's a CF init, and it's actually going to detect the directory name and put it as your project name. You can change that by typing it here, or you can keep it as default. So if you press enter, it's going to be default, and then it's going to detect which template you're using. So if, for example, if you are using Caravelle, it's going to detect that. If you're using Caravan, it's going to detect that, but you can definitely change it manually. And then it's going to ask you for the version. So because this is our first time to push to Tapeout for this design, it's going to be version 1.0.0, which is the default. But then if we want to update or push another Tapeout job, we can do a new version so that we have some kind of version control. Okay, so now we're going to do a push. So this is basically going to actually push the design files into the SFTP server. And these design files are mainly the project.json. This is created automatically. The user defines.v and the user project wrapper.gds, because this is a digital design. If you have an open frame design, it's going to be open frame. If it's a Caravan design, it's going to be an analog wrapper. And we do support both compressed and uncompressed GDS files. And now just as a sanity check, we're going to do a CF status, which is basically going to show us what we have on our SFTP server. So as you can see, we have something in our input because we just pushed something, but we don't have any tapeout running or anything in our output because the tapeout still didn't run. So once the tapeout runs and we push back the data to you, you're going to find something in the output. And then you can do a CF pull, which is going to be pulling and downloading your data locally. We are going to be doing another video where we're going to show you how to pull the data, how to look at the log files, how to look at the reports as well. So stay tuned for that video. So yeah, this is it for our video today. So please do join our Discord channel. And if you have any questions, please send us an email at info@chipfoundry.io, and see you in the next video.